Okay, welcome to another Friday 5. Discovery going from major surgery tomorrow, where we're going to change out the oil pump, water pump, and also changing out all the belts. But as you can see, it's pretty dirty. So it needs a wash. But yeah, everything is ready here. Everything that I need to do the job, or they need to do the job, is going into the Land Rover garage. I'm not going to do it myself. But I need to clean it because I want to set it in clean before it go into the garage, and also need to clean all the wheels. So you're probably seeing that all the wheels have been there for a while, and the reason for that is that I haven't had my pressure washer in use because of the water supply.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down.
Connected, go to the back and then turn on the water, then we will see if it's leaking or not. Give it everything, and the good thing about this one is 35 meters, so it's gonna pull all the way around the house if I want to, and also into the garage if I want to clean the garage. You see, no leaks. No leaks so far. So the other one from MASTERMO did start to leak from the center here. I think I have a video I will show you. This one has aqua stop, so no water in here coming out. That's what I wanted, because then I can change out. I just want to do a rinse off with the hose, or if I want to connect it to the power washer. So it's the same connection on those. So easy fix. Yes. So the reason why I wanted this is because if I clean the car using the power washer and also clean it with some wax, shampoo and wax, if it rains and I come home from work, I can just rinse it off with this without using the power washer. Because if I keep on rinsing it on the wet days, it keeps clean. So yeah, time to get washing. No leaks, so that's good. And then why I wanted this is this automatic pulls in, and it's so smooth, nice, so worth the money. Got everything hooked up now, so now should be ready. Nice! I always like when something is easy, because then you tend to do it more. So super easy. Hook up the cashier. You see I have its own space in the garage for it, so it's downstairs. I can just roll it out. Got the power hooked up here because it's tends to pull a bit of power in the when it starts. So yeah, own 16 amps, and yeah, easy water supply. Okay, so just quick how I wash my car. Do the power washer, clean off all the dirt, all the loose dirt. Then I do a light degrease, cold degrease, and then I put some shampoo on it, and then use this with a warm water bucket, and just quickly clean it. And yeah, I found that this is the best, easiest way. It's not gonna be like a polished car, but it's good enough with some there's some wax in the shampoo, so it really looks really good. And with a big car like this is great. So you can do a quick and easy wash at home with this setup. So that's a quick and easy wash. Now I'm going to rinse off, then you can see the result. You can always go over areas which I have missed or just forgotten. So yeah, all you detailers out there, I'm sorry, it's not going to be be that good of a job, but yeah, it needs to be quick so I can do it more often. So yeah, everything that's going on. So yeah, and also it's an overland car, not a show car. Okay, so it's not looking too bad for a quick wash. So let's take a quick look. It's pretty clean, but still wet. So we the real test is when it dries up, and then you can see the white spots and yeah. Okay, and then with the car clean, we can start on the 4 sets of wheels. So I'm going to do the Leaf winter wheels and then put them in the back on in the storage unit, and then I'm going to clean off the Discovery rims, which are going to get all the tires pulled off, and then hopefully 5 new tires in the next month or so, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. So yeah, clean up, and then I'll see you tomorrow when I go deliver the Discovery. Hopefully everything is going to go alright, and yeah, not going to break down on the way home.